something great may just arise within your life.
Lord.
There is a last minute miracle that is coming. Proverbs that
masculines sont omniprésentes et finalement si peu condamnées, la seule solution, c'est de se créer d'autres espaces, d'aller vivre entre femmes, parce que c'est une minorité qui fait ces choix-là, c'est quelque chose qui en réalité est très difficile à mettre en œuvre, et puis on se retrouve toujours à avoir
I'm headed to overflow to the land of more than enough. I received a letter from a young couple. They had both been
in the Africa Cup of Nations by moving the player release date, the mandatory release date. On the this is the second edition. The first took place in Tanzania. That was for teams in East Africa. That was in January of this year, and there are plans next year to take it to West Africa, either to WAFU A or the WAFU B zone, and then to move it around and have it taking place.
Celebrate and commemorate Mozuni Mdima. Naitwa Karangesi kwa Karanyengano kuli celebrate mo region za Maheke atuli celebrate mo region za Maheke ipo wazikida twazikidamo la stakeholder wetu wa Porosi wa Namra wa
iewers tussen al die daar iets wees waarvan jy ook hou wat in jou smaak pas. Maar ons wissel die dinge af.
Scoop it, mix it, shake it, or bake it. How you stay snacked up is up to you. The Live Grown Up Standard Cereal. No day, no way. This right here.
Songwriter from Lux.
Hi, I'm Luxie. I'm a songwriter and artist. I mean, music is